6:15, everybody. Regulators have seized First Republic Bank and sold it to JP Morgan Chase. It marks the third bank failure this year.
And the second largest bank failure in U.S. history. Washington correspondent Alexandra Limon is joining us live from D.C. with more on what President Biden is saying about this disturbing trend. Alexandra, good morning.
Hazel, Dan, good morning to you. President Biden is trying to reassure Americans that the U.S. banking system is strong, but at the same time, the administration says that more regulations are needed in order to safeguard that industry.
I'm pleased to say that the regulators have taken action to facilitate the sale of First Republic Bank.
After a third U.S. bank collapsed, Monday morning, government regulators stepped in, took control of First Republic Bank, and quickly sold off most of its assets to JP Morgan Chase. As part of the deal, the FDIC provided $50 billion in financing to Chase.
These actions are going to make sure that the banking system is safe and sound, and that includes protecting small businesses across the country who need to make payroll for workers and their small businesses.
While the Biden administration says all is well with the U.S. banking system,
the banking system overall is in stable shape.
First Republic is the largest bank to fail since the 2008 financial crisis, and rules that were put into place after that crisis have since been weakened by Congress.
The president's been clear that he is supportive of reinstating a lot of the rules on these large regional banks that were rolled back in the previous administration.
But E.J. Antoni with the Conservative Heritage Foundation says more regulations won't fix the problem. He says instead the blame lies elsewhere.
The systemic interest rate risk that the Fed created within the banking system is causing the house of cards to collapse.
Now, what he's talking about there is that because of the pandemic, interest rates were kept historically low for a long time. And now a lot of the assets that banks purchased under those low interest rates aren't worth very much. Live in Washington, Alexandra Limon.
Alexandra, thank you.